Welcome to this video that explains the steps to apply for the Italian scholarship. These are the video section. You can go to the part you want without watching the whole video. To go the official website of the scholarship, type "Study in Italy." To read the term and learn the details of the application, click on the grant button, then call for applications. You will find all the details and the scholarships offers. 1. Language programs. 2. Higher education programs in music, dance, and arts. 3. Master's programs. 4. Doctoral programs. And 5. Academic research programs. Documents required to apply for the grant: language certificate, letter of motivation, CV, recommendation letters, graduation statement and transcript, copy of passport. I watched videos and they said that there are sites such as Duolingo and English First that give certificates enable you to apply for scholarships. If you intend to study at the University of Milano, these are the types of the language certificate which you recognize. This is a YouTube video that shows how to write a motivation letter and also how to write a CV, and the last video shows you how to get a letter of recommendation. You must take into account the translation of the statement paper and the transcript for the Italian language if you are going to study in Italian, and visa. Now we move to the course selection section. You have to take into account that some programs are only available in Italian. For example, the pharmacy major, there are no programs in English, while it is widely available in Italian, and the biology major is available in both languages. Click on the link to go to the application. The first page where you enter your personal data, re-login with your username and password, and finally fill out the second and third page of the application which parents to your choice of universities, and attach the required papers. This step is for undergraduate and master's students. If your file is strong and submitted correctly, you must do this step and contact the universities to obtain academic acceptance. After 3 weeks of applying, you receive a phone call and an email for the scholarship telling you that you must submit an academic acceptance paper. This is a letter sent by the scholarship, your scholarship award letter. You will receive another email with an appointment set to come to the embassy and submit the paper. The study starts in December. You must have the expenses of the first 3 months because the scholarship is often awarded in January. Regarding the expenses, I want to show you something they maintaining in the scholarship information section. So if you need help applying, I can help you. Contact me on Fiverr or Telegram, and to follow me, this is my LinkedIn account. Thank you for watching.